welcome back to the Creative Study channel. If you are an iOS developer and just got hit with the App Store's rejection under Guideline 2.3.2, so don't worry. In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix it step by step and get your app approved. So let's understand this issue. Firstly, we have to know that Apple why rejected the application. So Apple rejected your app because your app description or screenshots mention features that are actually behind a paywall, like a subscription, but you did not make that clear. This is all about the transparency. Apple wants users to know exactly what they are getting for free and what requires for payment. That means if your app uses a subscription model, it must be stated clearly in the app metadata, especially in the app description. Let's say your app description says get access to expert fitness plans, video workouts, and personalized diet charts. But users only get that content after subscribing. That's misleading if you don't say it's part of a paid subscription. Let me write this here. So this is the app description, but users only get that content after subscribing. That's misleading if you don't say it's part of paid subscription. So how to fix it? Here's how you have to update your app description to clearly label which features require a subscription. Let me show you an example. You can write download the app for free and explore limited features. Access full fitness plans, video workouts, and diet charts with a subscription. Let me write it here. And you can also add this line at the end of app description. So what you have to write, this app offers auto-renewing subscriptions. Payments will be charged to your Apple ID account at confirmation of purchase. This is a very mandatory line. If you will not mention terms of use and privacy policy URLs at the end of app description, then Apple will reject your app with the Guideline 2.3.2. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more real-world app development tips and App Store rejection fixes. Drop a comment if you have faced similar issues or want help with another guideline. Thank you. See you in the next video.